Welcome back to Ozzy the Budgie. Today, come down from there. Sorry, he just likes the bird who's right now in his cage. He's trying to sleep, just gonna leave him. But today I'm gonna try and redraw my cat Merlin. So, actually a type of tabby cat. Although most people say that he isn't. But can you guys see those stripes on his tail? Yeah, he is a tabby. Most people say that he's not. My cat said he was. My friend said he's a monster. There's nothing about it. Anyway, let's go with this. Ozzy's actually trying to sleep right now, so I'm not disturbing right now anymore. So yeah, my cat's probably gonna get right in the way of this video. I don't care. So first, we're going to start by drawing classic cat shape. We're just going to start by drawing that shape. You guys even see that? Yep, you can. That's fine. And then I'm going to draw this cat ears. I'm actually taking this inspiration from a Draw So Cute history. And just like sort of drawing the same, you know what I mean, like outline, but just changing it up a bit. So it's my cat. And I'm looking in the window, but my mum's stuck. But I'm really just drawing the face for this video and a bit of the body. I need to round off the bottom of his head. This is a cartoon, by the way. This is not supposed to be realistic. Then we need to draw his little kitty eyes. Little kitty eyes. By the way, sorry for all the background noise in this video. My family are downstairs and my gran and grandpa are overstaying, so yay! They're sort of loud, some like, they're just a hustling, but well, not really hustling downstairs, but you get what I mean. That was my zip, by the way. Then you need to draw just a little kitty nose and a little kitty mouse. I'm so sorry if my hand was in the way there. I didn't mean for it to be. But there's the main shape of his head. Now, Merlin has a little pattern that goes like that over his face. He's like half falling asleep just watching me drawing this. Like, it's crazy. He's right there, look. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, it's your twin. It's your identical twin. Yeah, your twin needs some whiskers. Although you're hardly identical. No, we just need this big, fat cat body. You guys see what I did there? I just like drew two lines coming out the side. And we just need to draw these classic kitty legs. And then we need this classic kitty legs at the right. His tail is sort of stripy, so I'm going to add those stripes in. And his back has a bit of ginger on it, so I'm going to add that in. Yeah! Now I just need to add these bits on. Yeah. It was sort of out of frame for a minute there. I am now going to grab my other pens, wherever they're hidden. Aye. Oh yes. I bet you don't even have the right colours. Do I? And no. I don't seem to. Sorry about all the first time. Oh, my fingering! Found him! So glittery! By the way, the flash flashes on just so you guys could get a bit more. Yeah, that's not here. But now I'm gonna just finish this drawing off. This is sort of a half love heart. I can't fit the full one in. Oh well. Gonna have to add some love hearts in at the side. And a little star. Nice. Color of ears. I don't know why I'm just colouring in everything black. I think sometimes black things look sort of, colouring things in black sort of gives off an effect. Get what I mean? Like a sort of, I don't even know, but ooh, Merlin, can you come in the shot again? You can? I suppose not. But anyway guys, here's the finished drawing. I hope you guys followed along. And if I was going too quick then, well, I was going too quick. But you guys can pause the video, so yeah. But guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment on what I should do for my next video. Well, I mean, it could be slime and squishy related, but as long as it's like not homemade slimes. I don't have none of them. This one's shot bought. Oh my god, my cat hates the noise of this. It's so squelchy. Listen, I don't know where the mic is on this, but this one sounds weird. Yeah, I think I found the mic. But how weird does that sound? Like really? I know my squishies are downstairs. But oh well. That's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe. I've already said that. But anyway. Bye bye. Peace out.